Hello everyone. Today let's understand some EMI calculator options, or I can say financial functions in this Excel. So you can see I have a loan amount of 50,000 that is going to be paid in 2 years with a rate of interest 12% per annum. So you can see that I just want to create my EMI, that is my monthly installment which will go. So the same thing I will use. First of all, I am converting that rate, that is per annum, into per month, that is 1%, by dividing it, and the duration into month, which is multiplied by 12. So for the EMI, I am just going to use the formula called PMT. So equal PMT I am going to discuss, and here the rate, monthly rate I will give the monthly this time period, and once I am giving the PV is my present value, or I can say loan amount. Once I have done this much, the negative result will be in my hand. So just better to put one more minus symbol before this PMT, and it will be positive then. This is my monthly installment, and if I need to calculate the total amount pay, so this EMI will go up to 24 month. So I am selecting it and multiplying it. And if I want to find out the interest pay, so just I need to deduct my total amount pay minus my loan amount, and that will be this one, interest pay.